Hey there, I'm Mario, and I'm excited to share a new batch of monthly product updates we've just added on Pentest-Tools.com. It's been a slower summer month, but the improvements we've made bring important changes to our most used tools. There are 5 fresh modules to detect critical CVEs with our network vulnerability scanner. You can now see HTTP requests and responses in Nuclei findings. Sniper Auto Exploiter is stronger with 3 more exploitation modules. You can now investigate for XXE injection with a proprietary website vulnerability scanner. And lastly, our new cloud vulnerability scanner now includes more Google Cloud infrastructure tests for a stronger cloud security assessment. Let me give you a few details about each of them. First things first, we just added 5 new modules to our network vulnerability scanner to help you check if your targets are vulnerable to the following CVEs: critical authentication bypass vulnerability in Ivanti EPMM instances, a deserialization of untrusted data vulnerability in Adobe Cold Fusion versions, a high-risk pre-authentication RC in Metabase, an SQL injection vulnerability found in the movie transfer web apps, and improper access control vulnerability resulting in a security feature bypass in Adobe Cold Fusion versions. Thanks to Nuclei, the 4 detection engine our tool now uses, you can run faster network scans and get even more results. Need solid proof for the detailed findings you found with the network vulnerability scanner? Now it's much easier to get it and validate it with HTTP requests and responses included in the Nuclei detection engine. Watch this 2-minute video in which Daniel, our product manager, explains how our network scanner integrates Nuclei. Shifting from detection to exploitation, you can now use Sniper Auto Exploiter to quickly extract solid RC evidence and safely exploit these high-risk CVEs in your engagements. An RC vulnerability found in the Nux framework, another RC affecting the TerraMaster NAS endpoints, and a path traversal vulnerability discovered in GitLab. Don't forget that you can also use the network vulnerability scanner, the full scan option, to detect these vulnerabilities. We've previously covered how to use Sniper in a video tutorial, which you can check out on our YouTube channel, on the card that's about to pop up somewhere up here, or in the link in the description. Our proprietary website vulnerability scanner now detects in-band file inclusion vulnerabilities via XML external entities and X-include directives. And if you're a heavy website scanner user, there's even better news. We've added a new caching mechanism for the passive scanning option to prevent redundant and resource-intensive tasks. Based on our tests, scans can finish up to 20% faster, so hop on the platform and get scanning. Concerned about cloud security? The new cloud vulnerability scanner gets stronger and detects multiple misconfigurations in your Google Cloud platform. Use it to assess your GCP targets and report the vulnerable ones. Well, that's about it. We hope these updates will make your pentesting engagements easier. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Up until next time, see you soon.